Okay. Okay. Wait. Open. No work.
See.
How does them hack and mash? That's it.
Oh, I think it's from here. Okay, what did Joshua get?
Whoa.
What did you get?
Wait. Oh, the crayon.
What is it?
It's crayon.
Crayons.
Yes. Another crayon.
More crayons?
Yes.
What? What else? Let me see.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Oh, you got stencils.
Stencils?
Yeah.
Weapon.
See. Crayons. You got a lot of crayons.
Yeah.
You got markers.
Hurry up it.
Look at
What?
markers.
Oh my God. What is it?
Here, I'll help you.
Wait, what is that? Whoa!
What is it?
It's a Ryan.
It's Orion.
Yeah, it's Ryan.
Let me see. Show me.
It's a Ryan's Karate.
Rain Karate.
Yeah.
Let me see it. Oh wow, it is Ryan Karate. That's a cool one. Got another one here. Look at another one. What is that?
It's Red Titan.
Red Titan. Let me see it. All right. So you got Red Titan too.
Can you open it? Can you open it?
That one. Let's see.
This is so cool, Mommy.
Here, open it.
Sticker. I can't believe it.
Can't believe it.
Yeah. Wow.
What is it?
It's sticker.
Show them. Show them to the camera. Oh, they're nice.
You want to do it? Red Titan.
Well, don't take them off yet.
Huh?
Don't take them off yet. Okay, put it on your arm, but don't take the rest off.
Okay.
Not yet.
Red Titan.
All right. What did you get?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Oh, there's another one. I found another
What else? What else is there?
No. Oh, never opened this. This one's this. Hey, can you open it?
Another one.
Oh, shoot. Can you open it, Mom?
Did he get that from here?
No.
Did
Oh,
No.
I ripped it.
He had the stickers. And he got these pins.
Exciting.
What's in here?
Nothing.
Oh,
Just a hollow egg.
A filler? Really?
There's something in it. Look. What was supposed to go in there?
Open it.
Maybe the surprise was hating anything.
Open it.
Is that where the stickers were at?
I'm not sure.
Oh, another one.
Oh,
Look, eraser.
razor? I like razor.
Yeah, I think that's where the stickers are at.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
Got a lot of
I
stuff.
guess he uses egg.
Yeah. You got all kinds of stuff. You can put your crayons in there, your markers.
Hey, I'm
Want to see them? Let's see. That's a cool Ryan.
another one.
Got another one?
Yeah. Red Titan.
Red Titan? Let me see. Red Titan. That's a cool one.
Yeah. I'm sure. Is it done?
I'm recording right now. Hold on.
This is Hazer, and he's very cool.
Oh, yeah. Do they fight?
Yeah. Yeah. He's a red Titan. Then. Here's a picture.
No, it's not a picture. It's recording.
I'm the coin.
You can't, because I'm recording on this side.
Mitt.
You can't,
Why?
because it's on this side.
Give me it. This is so cool.
So, Joshua got his egg. And there's all the stuff that came with it. And stickers. And he's excited. And he got his Ryan chonies.
Bye.